Amidst the rich tapestry of human innovation, the bold thread of solar panel technology stands out, marking a new dawn in our quest for sustainability. This journey, however, begins amidst a cloud of myths and skepticism. Doubts linger on the efficacy, practicality, and accessibility of harnessing sunlight for electricity. Are solar panels the beacon of hope for our energy needs, or just a passing trend? This segment aims to uncover the truth about solar energy, dispel common misconceptions, and address the skepticism that obscures our judgment. By exploring the mechanics of solar panels and highlighting their undeniable benefits, we aim to foster a dialogue about their installation, setting the stage for a shift in perspective. Join us as we illuminate the path toward adopting solar energy as a cornerstone of modern living. Diving deeper into our exploration, the science of solar panels unfolds, revealing a simple yet profound mechanism for harnessing the sun's energy. The process, known as the photovoltaic effect, serves as a pillar for a sustainable future. Beyond the technical marvels, solar energy's benefits shine brightly, offering economic relief through reduced utility bills and a notable return on investment, alongside the environmental promise of lower carbon emissions. Embracing solar energy transcends mere technology adoption. It's a commitment to a cleaner, sustainable world. The installation journey demystifies the sequence from choice to action, beginning with panel selection and identifying reputable installers, eventually culminating in the realization of a solar-powered home. This intricate yet rewarding process reiterates the value of renewable energy, promising a transformation that benefits both individuals and communities. At this juncture, our narrative pivots towards action. Having unraveled the wonders and benefits of solar panel technology, the choice to transition to solar energy heralds a new era. This pivotal moment extends beyond the technicalities of installation. It's a declaration of our dedication to a sustainable and healthy planet. Witnessing the tangible benefits, reduced energy expenses, and a lower carbon footprint underscores the broader impacts of our decision. This commitment not only fosters a cleaner Earth for future generations, but also sets a beacon for others to follow. As we conclude, let's remember that our journey towards sustainability isn't ending, it's just beginning. Embrace the endless potential of the sun and consider the profound impact of switching to solar energy for a vibrant, sustainable future.